get noticed in this 2006 Mercedes-Benz CLS Class. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. And memory settings are one of many features. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.